Alright guys, give me a second. I heard I got, oh, there it is. Oh, we got a camera too. Been waiting for this to arrive. This is a special delivery direct from Dearborn, Michigan. And might be appropriate to open this box on this Ford GT, even with the wrap. I don't think we want to do that. Let's take this over here and open this up. I gotta open it. There we go. That tailgate down the truck there. So obviously we got the news that we were allocated one of the new Ford GT cars. And luckily for us, we got bumped up production to hopefully October or November of this year. So we are looking to have this vehicle ordered by the next few days. And then we're looking for get delivery of the first Ford GT, new one, 2018, here in just a few months away. So this is very exciting. Really cool here. You got the outside with the white packaging. This slides through. Oh, baby. Ford Performance all over it. Just as we thought here. The unveiling of the box. Got some nice big crate foam there. High quality stuff from Ford. And inside that, you have this bag. So let's just take a look at what's in the bag here. See, even I start putting down soft things, which is not really my style. I'm normally just to kind of get it and go, but when you have something that's in what almost looks like a helmet racing bag, you gotta respect what's inside. And what's inside, wow, literally you see all this carbon fiber, this beautiful ordering kit. Almost makes you start to shake a little. Let's push that down, get this unlocked here. Oh, slides apart. Oh baby, look at that. Got the competition interiors, the Heritage, the re-entry, and the standard ones with different wheel options on the car. Obviously the black carbon fiber, I don't think there's much else to say. And the different paint samples of all the paint on the car. I gotta take this inside and break it down. We got a pretty big decision to make, but stay tuned. Coming in hopefully by November of this year, Reichert Ford, Columbus, Ohio. We'll get one of our two Ford GTs. This one will be a 2018 model year, and more to come. Stick with us.